Hey everybody, Matty D here with AU1 Solutions Group. Today with the video on crisis credit repair. Why now, despite the media and the fear and the panic and the stress that everyone is experiencing right now, despite all that, why now is one of the best times to work on getting your credit fixed if you can swing it. Because I do realize that some people, unfortunately, because their job shut down, they have no income. But if you can still swing it, right now is the best time. And here's two things. Number one, time does not stand still. Time keeps on going. What's the song remind me? Time keeps on going into the future. Anyways, time does not stand still for anybody. It keeps marching forward. Getting started now actually gives you a head start on everyone else that's going to wait. Because when this thing passes, and it will, when we're not sure, but it will, once it passes and everything goes back to, the economy starts booming again, everything else, then everyone else is going to come back and cry and want to start all over. When, if you get started now, you get a head start on everyone else. Number two, to back at number one, with all the businesses shutting down, if you're going to dispute an item with a creditor or a collection agency or with whomever, especially with the courthouse is being closed, and a business that you have that's a creditor that you are disputing an item with, if they're closed, guess what? They can't respond, and they only have a certain amount of time to respond. Therefore, they can't respond in time. Guess what? The item has to be deleted by law, or the credit bureaus can get sued. So what that means for you, it means right now you get ahead of the crowd, and not because everyone's gonna focus on everything else, but their finances right now at the moment as far as credit goes. And then the thing is, you have a better chance. Again, you have a better chance of getting more items deleted, okay, and same time also having items come off faster rather than if this never happened, which is why sometimes for some people this can take a while. So I'll say it again, get a head start. When the economy is down, it's a good time to strategize with your finances to get ahead, to come out better than you were before. People are going to think people will not think about credit right now. Most people won't, but those that actually do, you'll be way ahead of the game once it's done, and your future self will thank you for this. So if you're ready, give us a call, 877-250-7170, extension 2. Again, 877-250-7170, extension 2. We're ready to go. We're still rocking and rolling. Take care. Be healthy and be safe. Peace.